You know what's crazy? That person who makes you feel terrible every time you talk to them, the one who drains all your energy and makes you feel small, you think the problem is them. But here's the truth nobody tells you. You're actually helping them hurt you, and you don't even see it happening. But right now, today, I'm going to show you 7 simple tricks that flip everything. Once you use these, toxic people will either change how they treat you, or they'll run away. Either way, you win, and your life gets so much easier. So, let's start right now. Step 1. Stop giving them your feelings on a plate. Here's what happens every single time. A toxic person says something mean. Maybe they make a joke about you. Maybe they say you're not good enough. And what do? Your face drops. Your voice changes. You try to explain yourself or fight back. And boom, they got you. They won. See, toxic people are like hungry monsters. They eat your reactions. When you get upset, when you get angry, when you cry, that's like candy to them. It makes them feel powerful. It makes them feel big. Think of it like this. Imagine a kid poking you. Poke, poke, poke. If you scream and cry, what does the kid do? They keep poking. Because it's fun. They're getting a big reaction. But if you just stand there and don't react at all, the kid gets bored and walks away. That's exactly how you beat toxic people. Next time they say something mean, do this. Look at them. Don't say anything for 3 seconds. Count in your head. 1, 2, 3. Then say something boring like, okay, or cool, or if you say so. Your face stays calm. Your voice stays flat. You're not mad. You're not sad. You're just nothing. They'll look confused. Their brain will go, wait, why isn't this working? And most times, they'll just stop. Because you're not fun anymore. You're not giving them the food they want. Strong people choose what makes them upset. Weak people let everyone control their feelings. Step 2. Stop letting them steal your time. Toxic people love stealing your time. They call you when you're busy. They need help right now. Everything is always an emergency. Always drama. Always something. And you? You drop everything. You cancel your plans. You help them. Again and again and again. Here's what you need to know. Your time is like money. Actually, it's better than money. Once it's gone, you can never get it back. When you give your time to toxic people, you're basically saying, you're more important than me. Your problems matter more than my life. So here's the new rule. When a toxic person wants your time, you say, I can't right now. That's it. No long explanation. No story about what you're doing. Just, I can't right now. If they push you, if they say, come on, it's important, you say the same thing again. I can't right now. Stay calm. Don't feel guilty. Real friends respect your time. Toxic people think your time belongs to them. Start treating your time like treasure. Only share it with people who deserve it. Step 3. Create space when they're bad to you. This one is super powerful. Most people mess this up completely. Someone treats you badly. They ignore you. They say rude things. They cancel plans. They're mean in front of others. And what do? Nothing. You just take it. You stay the same. So their brain learns, oh, I can treat this person any way I want. Nothing changes. Nothing happens to me. You have to teach people a lesson without using words. Here's how. Next time someone is toxic to you, you pull back. You create space. Not forever. Just for a while. They text you. You answer later. Much later. They want to hang out. You're busy. They need help. You don't have time. You're not being mean. You're not trying to hurt them. You're just showing them that bad behavior has a cost. The cost is losing access to you. And guess what? You are valuable. Your friendship is valuable. Your help is valuable. Do this once and watch the magic. They'll notice something changed. They'll wonder why you're different, why you're far away now. And most of them will think, oh no, if I keep being mean, I'll lose this person completely. I should be nicer. You're training them like a puppy. Good behavior gets treats. Bad behavior gets nothing. Actions teach people better than words ever could. Step 4. Stop being scared of making them angry. Here's a big secret. As long as you're afraid of making toxic people mad, they control you completely. They know you'll do anything to keep peace. You'll say yes when you want to say no. You'll hide your real feelings. You'll accept bad treatment just to avoid a fight. And toxic people? They smell this fear like a dog smells food. They use it against you every single day. You need to get okay with making people angry sometimes. Not everyone, not on purpose, but sometimes, doing what's right for you will make toxic people mad, and that's okay. Think about it like this. If someone gets angry because you said no to them, because you put yourself first, because you have boundaries, that person is the problem, not you. Try this. Next time you need to say no, just say it. No, I can't do that. Watch what happens. If they get super angry, if they make a big drama, if they try to make you feel guilty, now you know for sure. They're toxic. Good people might be disappointed, but they respect your no. Toxic people try to punish you for it. When you stop being afraid of their anger, you become free. You get your power back. Step 5. Stop defending yourself to them. Toxic people love making you explain yourself. Why did you do that? Why did you say that? Why didn't you do what they wanted? And you? You give long answers. You try to make them understand. You explain and explain and explain, hoping they'll finally agree with you. Stop doing that right now. When you explain too much, you sound weak. You sound like you did something wrong and you're trying to get out of trouble. Here's the better way. Someone asks why you did something. You say, because that's what I decided. That's all. Period. Done. No long story. No defending yourself. No begging them to understand. If they push more, if they keep asking why, you say the exact same thing. That's what I decided. Stay calm. Your voice is steady. You're not upset. You're just done explaining. Most people will stop because they see you're not playing the game. You're not going to defend yourself. You made a choice, and that's that. The ones who keep pushing, those are definitely toxic. They want to control you. They want to make you feel bad for making your own choices. Strong people make decisions and own them. They don't need everyone to agree. They don't need everyone to understand. They just do what's right for them and move forward. Step 6. Be completely okay alone. This is the ultimate power move. The thing toxic people fear most. When you're genuinely happy by yourself, when you don't need anyone, people treat you completely different. Now they want your attention, not the other way around. Here's what changes starting today. Stop chasing toxic people. Stop being the one who always texts first. Stop trying to keep the friendship alive all by yourself. Pull back. Do things that make you happy. Enjoy your own company. Be your own best friend. Watch what happens next. Toxic people will disappear like morning fog. They only stayed because you were easy, because you always gave attention, because you needed them. But good people, real friends, they'll notice you're gone and they'll reach out. They'll text you first. They'll make effort because they actually care about you. This is how you clean your life. You become someone who's fine alone. Then the only people who stay are people who genuinely want to be there. Step 7. Speak up once, then walk away. Here's the final trick. Most people either never speak up at all, or they speak up 100 times hoping the person will change. Both ways don't work. Here's what works. You speak up once, clearly, calmly. You say exactly what the problem is. When you do this, it hurts me. I need you to stop. That's it. Simple words, clear message. Then you stop talking. You don't repeat yourself. You don't explain more. You don't beg them to understand. You said it once. That's enough. Now you watch what they do. Do they change? Do they respect what you said? Great. They might not be toxic after all. Or do they ignore you? Do they do it again? Do they make excuses? Do they make you feel bad for speaking up? Now you know for sure. They're toxic. And here's the important part. Once you speak up and they don't change, you walk away. You don't give second chances. You don't give third chances. You don't explain again. You just quietly pull back and remove them from your life. Your words told them what you need. Their actions told you who they are. Believe their actions, not their words. Speaking up once is powerful. Repeating yourself 100 times is weak. Say it once, mean it, then let your actions do the rest. Okay, here's what you do right now. Pick just one of these 7 ways. Maybe you'll stop reacting when someone is mean. Maybe you'll start protecting your time. Maybe you'll be okay with making them angry. Just pick one. Try it this week. See what happens. You'll notice toxic people either change or leave. Both are good for you. Then next week, try another way. Keep going. Before you know it, your whole life will be different. Toxic people will be gone. You'll be surrounded by people who treat you right. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button right now. Just one click. That's all I need. And go use these 7 ways today. You're stronger than you think. You've got this.